The the last time that we talked with the HCP and the other authorities, it was just 50-50. Mga 3 years ago, 3 months ago. Around 3 months ago, the National Historical Commission of the Philippines Chair, Dr. Escalante, visited us and panayang gusto sa tuwa. But there is the follow-up, consistent follow-up on this matter. That's why I called back. Kita ang mga ito, for this purpose. Okay, because the gesture is like, if in 1565 onwards, we were visited by the foreigners and they brought faith to us, and faith was grown, faith grown, and then the civilization continued to spread out the rest of the country. This time of at this time, the Filipinos now are becoming the new missionaries because of our presence in many parts of the countries in the world. So it's kind of paying forward or becoming the new missionaries, the frontliners in the mission work today. My Filipino also, it's kind of a gesture that then we are here as a new missionary.